Hello guys, good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be showing you how to make this mesh granny square. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, and let's get started. So with this project I will be using my 3.5mm hook. Okay, and I will be using my cotton yarn. Okay, so let's get started. So to start with, every granny squares, okay, we are going to start with our magic ring. Okay, so then chain 3, and we are going to make double crochet in our magic ring. Okay, and we are going to make a set of 4 set of 3 double crochet. Okay, then after that we're going to chain 2 and make another set of 3 double crochet. Okay, and then chain 2 and then another 3 double crochet. Then the third one and chain 2. Okay, and we are just going to tie that a little bit. Okay, and so we have 1 2 3, so we are going to have another one more set. Okay, so 1 2 and 3. Okay, so we have 1 2 3. Okay, so this is the 4th corner. Okay, chain 2 and then the 3rd chain. Okay, so 1 2 3 and slip stitch. Slip stitch. Okay, so from here what I'm going to do is insert into the space, okay, and pull up. Okay, and then chain 2 hang on a second, sorry. Okay, so from here, sorry, 1 2 chain 3. Okay, and then add 1. Okay, and then we are going to skip 1 and then we are going to make a double crochet and then chain 1 and into the space we are going to make 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 more double crochet. Okay, so then chain 1 and then in the first double crochet we are going to make our double crochet and then skip chain 1, skip 1, so in the last one we are going to make our double crochet and then chain 1 into the space, make double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So that is our corner. Okay, then chain 1 and the first double crochet we are going to make our double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 and double crochet. Okay, so chain 1. Okay, so we're going to skip 1 and into the corner, double crochet, chain 2 and then double crochet, chain 1 to the first double crochet. We're going to put double crochet, chain 1 and skip 1 and double crochet, chain 1, and then into the corner 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Okay, so then chain 1. Okay, so 1 to the third one, we are going to do a slip stitch. Okay, so just make sure that we do have our corner. Okay, so 1 corner there, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have our square. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so from here, chain 3, chain plus 1. Okay, and then on top of this double crochet, we're going to put a double crochet, chain 1, and then on top of double crochet, we're going to do a double crochet, chain 1, and we are here into the space. Okay, so in the space, double crochet, chain 2 and double crochet, chain 1, and into the top of double crochet, we're going to put double crochet, chain 1 on top, double crochet, chain 1 on top. So we are just going to continue that until we got to the end. Okay, so this is very simple. So we are here into our next corner, chain 2 and double crochet, chain 1, and then on top we're going to put 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Okay, and we are going to continue that, and I will get back to you when we got to the end. Guys, so I just slip stitch into the last and the third chain. Okay, then from here we're going to chain 3. Okay, and then plus 1, and we are just going to do the same, okay, over and over again. Okay, there's no changes. Okay, so we're just going to put 1 double crochet on top of double crochet in the previous row. Okay, and in the corner. Okay, so make sure that you know your corner, and then place 1 double crochet, chain 2, and then 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, then after that, chain 1 and continue placing 1 double crochet on top of double crochet, and then chain 1 and then double crochet again. Okay, so just make sure that you don't forget that chain 1, okay, or else you will lose the space. Okay, so as you can see, this is our first corner. Okay, and you continue that until you got your measurement. So as I said, into the corner, just make sure that you do have your corner, okay, right. Okay, so with mine 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows. Okay, 7 rows. So continue doing that, and I will get back to you when I finish my 7 rows. It's just repetition of what we've done. Okay, so with the second row, okay, so in the second row 2 double crochet, and then in the space we have 1, and then the other side, okay, we have 1, so we have 4 there, and 2 4 6 in the next row, and then so on. Okay, so just continue that. Just make sure that, okay, your corner, you remain the 2 space, okay, so you get that square effect. Okay, so I'll get back to you when I finish my 7th row. Hello guys, so as I promised, okay, I will finish mine and I will show you. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. It's just the same as our old one. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. Okay, so after you've done that, you can just fasten off and cut this yarn, or you can continue if you want larger, okay, or if you want smaller, you can just stop whenever you want your measurement to be. Okay, so if you're going larger, okay, you just have to continue around and around and around. And there you go guys, thank you very much, and hopefully you like this video. This is really cute, especially for summer. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and share my video. And if you're new to my channel and you want to subscribe, please press that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time I will upload a new video, you will get notified. Okay, thank you very much guys for supporting my channel, and I will do some more videos and more exciting. So from this, okay, I will create something beautiful. Okay, so this is my other one. Okay, so that's really good. If you want more cover, you do this. Okay, and I do have the tutorial as well. I do have the tutorial if you just want this. I do have the tutorial with that. And if you want this complete, okay, with the mesh, okay, I do have the tutorial as well. Okay, so thank you very much guys, and until to the next video, bye.